Where is the gold? Where is it?
Hello there, trading fan. And Sheikh again from your Freedom Academy. We are back again looking at gold. Sorry for being a bit late, but as always, I bang out videos on the weekend to see what gold has been doing in the past week and what gold is going to do in the next week coming. Alright, first we look back at what happened last week. As I said, we are at the 4-hour chart, time frame. What I predicted for last week did happen. First, it came down to our first support level right here, as you can see. Put a little box here. That's our support level number 1, and it did tease to come down to our support level number 2, but it didn't happen. It went past support level right here and push right back up. Okay, what will happen next week? So what I see gold is happening, most of the traders will say that gold is actually going up. Well, they have a valid reason to say this. One, if you see the candle momentum shows that it's going bullish, that means it's going up. We are looking for a buy. Yes, if you look at long term for gold, it is actually going up. It will go up eventually, but bear in mind, this is my analysis. What I see next week happening is, okay, you see this right here. You see this right here. Sorry, do that again. You see this right here. And you see this right here. Why is my lines not happening? There. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. It's going down all the time. Wait. Let's try this. Yep, that did it. Okay. Let's put this one right here. Let's put this one. Let's move this. Let's put this one up here. Okay. What these white lines are representing is lower highs. These are lower highs. This is a lower low for this guy right here, and this is a lower low for this guy right here. So what I actually see happening on Monday, bear in mind, this is my analysis. The market is not ours. It will go up wherever it wants to go up. We can just do our analysis and trade safely and trade well. What I see the markets doing next week, first on Monday, it might open on a gap up. That means the price has jumped. Let's move out to our normal plain candlestick charts right here. Where is it? This one. All right. So again, I put my higher highs. Put my higher highs again. Put my highs. Sorry, did I say higher highs? I meant lower highs. This is a lower low right here. It is lower than these guys right here. Okay. Why I say that there might be a gap up, because the momentum of last week is there, but next week we might be seeing the price actually going down. Why do I say this? As you can see, there's a lower highs forming. 1, 2, 3. This guy's lower low was right here. This guy's lower low was right here. Even though this lower low is lower than this guy, it actually bounced up a very strong support level, and it didn't come as high as this guy right here. It came down here and bounced off, came to do a lower low right here, and this is a lower low for this guy. Okay, went up, it didn't go up until here, and it didn't go up more than that, but it bounced lower low than this guy. So it tried its best to go up, but as of Friday it finished here. On Monday it might bounce off again, but what I see, and again this is my prediction, my own analysis, my own opinion, it might not be, but be cautious. For me, I might see it going down back here to this support level. A very strong support level, but a stronger support level is waiting right here. Why I say that? Look back. Look at what happened here. Multiple times it came down and bounced back, bounce, 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 before eventually going back up. So if it bounces off like this multiple times, it means that it's a very strong support level. So if it goes down, you're looking at maximum of downside is here. Only if a news flash happens in the US market, it will push it down. Negative news, maybe it will push it down. But if we don't have any negative news, high impact news, this is where we're looking at the maximum for it to go down before continuing going up. Okay, to recap why I say it's going down, two factors. One being is creating a lower highs and lower lows right here. Secondly, if you zoom in and take out this little line right here, ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is an inverted hammer in the 4-hour time frame, which means that on Friday the price pushed up, the bulls were in the market, they tried to push up the price, but the bears came and pushed the price back down to make it become an inverted hammer. So be careful when there's an inverted hammer. That means there are bears in the market, sellers, and these sellers could eventually push the price down. They could push the price down here to our next support level of 1657. Alright guys, so I hope this has been a good lesson for you guys, a good tutorial. Be safe in the markets for next week. Some of you I know did some wrong decisions on the market. Don't worry, there's always hope in the market. Just don't give up. Most importantly, always have your stop losses and your take profits, and do your money management calculation really well. Okay, so stay safe in trading and stay safe with all this COVID-19 going on. Alright, just stay at home, let's make money at home, and yeah, this is Sheikh again from the Freedom Academy. I hope to be in touch with you guys, and see you soon. Bye.